लोग सिर्फ ट्रीटमेंट नहीं चाहते, वो चाहते हैं कोई उनकी बात समझे, कोई उनकी सोच, उनकी फीलिंग्स, उनके फेयर के साथ कनेक्ट करे. And that's where the idea of this podcast was born. I am Dr. Ajay Rana. For the past 2 decades, I had the honor of working with thousands of people, helping them look better, feel better, and most importantly, be more confident in their own skin. In this journey, I have heard of all kinds of questions, some big, some small, some technical, and some emotional. But one thing that never changed, behind every question there was a real human story. और इसी जर्नी में मैंने एक बात समझी, लोग सिर्फ ट्रीटमेंट नहीं चाहते, वो चाहते हैं कोई उनकी बात समझे, कोई उनकी सोच, उनकी फीलिंग्स, उनके फेयर के साथ कनेक्ट करे. And that's where the idea of this podcast was born. In fact, just a few days ago, I went through something very personal. I had a hair transplant done. Yes, even after years of treating hair loss in others, I finally decided it's time that I did something for myself too. ये decision मेरे लिए सिर्फ appearance का नहीं था. It was about taking control and leading by example. Not because I felt something was missing, but simply because I wanted to experience what many of my patients go through. To truly understand the process, not just as a doctor, but as someone on the other side. And yes, my wife had been gently suggesting it for a while. So I finally thought, why not? मैं मानता हूँ real strength lies in acceptance और real confidence तब आता है जब आप अपने लिए कुछ करते हो, without guilt or fear of judgment. This podcast is not about promoting treatments. It's about starting real, honest conversations. A place जहां हम open बात कर सकते हैं. Hair, skin, aging, confidence, self-worth, and even fears. In the coming episodes, we will talk about things like hair transplants, myths and truths, skin rejuvenation, what works and what's a fad, how to actually choose the right treatments for you, and even when it's okay to say, I don't want any treatment. So, this is not just about medicine or aesthetics. It's about you, your questions, your journey, and I'm here to walk that path with you. This is Ask Dr. Rana. Real stories, real solutions, real you. Let's begin.